iPhone Wi-Fi grayed out. Fix cannot turn on Wi-Fi on iPhone. So let's get started. Wi-Fi toggle is grayed out or disabled, and if you cannot turn it, then this is a non-issues affecting iPhone models due to hardware or software related issues. First of all you have to do is open the settings app on your iPhone home screen. Then simply tap on the Wi-Fi option available in there. Inside Wi-Fi, toggle off the switch and simply toggle on again. Try to do so. If this does not work, then all you have to do is go back to the settings again and tap on the general option available in there. Inside general, scroll down till the bottom and there tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Inside transfer reset iPhone, tap on the reset, then tap on the reset network settings. This clears saved Wi-Fi networks and DNS cache, and all you have to do is re-enter your Wi-Fi password again. Now all of these are done, then again you'll have to tap on the settings from your iPhone's home screen and scroll and tap on the general again. Inside general, you will get to see the software update option available there. Tap on it and update the software to the latest version. Sometimes iOS patches can help recover failing chip behaviors. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.